Hello, welcome all. Myself Kiran. Today we will learn about hypervisors in cloud computing, and this presentation delves into the various types and functionalities of hypervisors, highlighting their importance and impact on modern IT infrastructures. First, let us explore the hypervisors in cloud computing in depth. Okay, let us see the definition. Hypervisors are software that create and manage the virtual machines essential for virtualization. That is, it is nothing but a software which manages the virtual machines. Okay, and there are two types of hypervisors, that is type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is the bare metal and type 2 is hosted, each with distinct functionalities. Okay, the functionalities of the hypervisors allocate hardware resources to virtual machines, enabling efficient resource management. That is, its main functionality is managing the resources efficiently among the virtual machines. Okay, and benefits of using the virtual machines are they enhances the scalability, flexibility and cost effective efficiency in cloud environment. Okay, and their role in cloud computing. Hypervisors are crucial in delivering cloud services, allowing multiple users to share resources seamlessly. That is, it allows the multiple users to share the resources seamlessly. Okay, and virtualization enhancement. They facilitate virtualization, allowing multiple operating systems to run on single physical machines, and they also allocate the resources among the hardware devices, and they simplify IT management and reduce hardware cost by maximizing server usage. And security consideration. Hypervisors enhances the security through isolation of the virtual machines, minimizing the risk of breaches. And future of the hypervisors. The evolution of hypervisors will drive further advancements in cloud computing and virtualization technologies. And let us get some understanding on hypervisors in computing. Okay, definition of hypervisors, that is simply it is software that manages the virtual machines. Okay, and the role in cloud computing is they enable multiple operating systems to run in a single physical machines. That's the main role of the hypervisors. And virtualization function, the abstract physical resources and allocate them to the different virtual machines. Isolation of the virtual machines. Hypervisors ensure that virtual machines operate independently and secure from each other. That is, it ensures that it is very secure enough and they can operate independently. And management of tools, they provide essential tools for resources allocating and performance monitoring. Okay, and lifecycle management. Hypervisors assist in lifecycle management of the virtual machines. Cloud computing, we have seen that hypervisors. In that we have two types, type 1 and type 2 hypervisors. Let us see the table and compare them. Okay, if we consider the performance, type 1 hypervisor is having high performance compared to type 2 hypervisor. And overload of the, if we consider second feature, that is overload, type 1 hypervisors can bear only low loads compared to type 2 hypervisors. And use case, type 1 hypervisors is used in data centers and cloud, whereas type 2 hypervisors are used in personalization development. And let us see the functionality. Okay, resource management, as I told, it mainly helps in resource management. That is, it allocates the resources like CPU, memory, etc. to the virtual machines. And VM creation, that is allow users to easily create multiple virtual machines running different operating system, increasing the flexibility. Okay, and isolation, each virtual machine operates isolatedly, maintaining security and stability. That is, it ensures that each virtual machines operate independently, so that it is not hacked by the hackers. That's what it says. And let us see the advantages of hypervisors in cloud computing. Resource efficiency, that is, it helps in allocation of the resources, okay, among the virtual machines. Scalability, that is, we can easily scale the resources by adding or removing the virtual machines. Cost saving, that is, consolidating multiple virtual machines on fewer physical servers leads to significant hardware cost reduction. Okay, and since the Cost effectiveness, because we are running multiple virtual machines, right, on a single physical hardware. So instead of buying very lot of virtual machines, we can run a simple virtual machine, so it helps in cost savings. Disaster recovery, hypervisor streamline backup and recover process and ensuring business continuity in case of failures. Okay, practical application, that is a cloud service provider can run several customer applications on one server while maintaining the performance in isolation. Use case, okay. uh, Hypervisors enable IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, okay, and development testing. They create isolated environment allowing developers to test the software. Since they are developed independently, we can easily test it. And server consolidation, hypervisors help reduce the number of physical servers needed, okay, optimizing the data center resources. That is, since the multiple operating system can run a single machine, we don't need a lot of physical machines, okay. That's what it says. We can go through the AWS Amazon Web Service employs hypervisors in EC2 for offering scalable on demand virtual servers, okay. If you want, you can read on this, but you can study this case studies, okay. And hypervisor versus containerization, okay. Level of virtualization, hypervisors operates at a hardware level. The containerization functions at the operating system level, okay. Start time, hypervisors typically take longer time, but the containers take very less time, okay. Hypervisors provide strong isolation with complete separation, and this is the second part, is it offers lightweight isolation through shared OS, okay. Resource overhead, hypervisors generally have higher resource overhead compared to containers, okay. And challenges in the hypervisor, that is performance overhead. It cannot manage a lot of overhead, okay. That's what it says. And complexity management, managing multiple virtual machines can become increasingly complex over time. That is, it cannot handle a lot of virtual machines at the same time. A compromised hypervisor can jeopardize multiple virtual machine security. That is, suppose if one of the virtual machines get affected, all the virtual machines get gradually affected, okay. That's what it says. That is a security risk. Resource management challenges, careful resource allocation is crucial to prevent performance degradation. That is, resources must be allocated very tactically, so that there is no deadlock, all those things happening, okay. Future trends in hypervisor technology, that is hybrid cloud solutions combining on-premises data centers with cloud services, enhances flexibility and scalability. Security enhancement, advancements in hypervisor architecture focus on providing more robust security measures. AI integration, that is artificial intelligence, leveraging AI for improved resources management and allocations, optimize the performance. Insights on the future focus. Evolution of hypervisors will prioritize efficiency and security and adaptability to dynamic workloads. And the last part is the conclusion. Role of hypervisor, that is, it mainly help in allowing multiple operating system to run on single hardware platform. That is, it enables virtualization and resource utilization. They enhances the resource allocation and resource distribution, so that every virtual machines or the operating systems can utilize the resource efficiently and effectively. Hypervisor provides flexibility in cloud environment, facilitating the quick deployment and scaling of the applications, okay. Types of hypervisors, as I told, type 1, that is bare metal, and type 2, hosted hypervisors, each with unique functionalities, as I told in the previous slides. You can go through it once again if you need. Advantages, they offer benefits like improved resource management, cost savings, increased efficiency in IT operations. Challenges, that is, security risk is there. Future trends, stay informed about the future trends in hypervisor technology for effective cloud computing strategies. Thank you, have a nice day.